This is Satvik, and the lab assignment question is block transfer using string byte instruction. First of all, the file creation. We mount the C drive which contains the program to the local directory. Then we shift control to the C drive. Then using the edit factorial ASM, this file contains the assembly code for factorial. Yes, this is the introduction, and my friend Tanusha will take over.
This is Tanusha. The flowchart starts with the bus interface unit side with the starting address of SI, source offset address, and DI destination block offset address. In the step 2 is we need to fix the AX general register in the execution unit side with address 000H. In the step 3, we need to fix the data segment DS with AX and extra segment ES with AX. In the step 4, we need to keep the CL register with the array size and the CH register with the address 00H. And again the step 5, in the step 5, we need to clear the direction flag. And after this, in the step 6, if the CX is greater than 0, it is true and the loop starts again. If the CX is greater than 0, the loop is false, then it will come to the end. Next algorithm is taken by Radhakrishna. Thank you.
Okay, the algorithm is first we have to set the value of offset SI to the starting address of source block, and then the offset DI to the starting address of destination block, and then load the value 0000 into the register AX. After that, the data of AX register into the DS register, and then AX register into the ES register, which is known as extra segment register, and then load the data of offset SI into CL register and load the value of 00 into CH register. The increment of value of SI by 1. Clear the directional flag so that the data is read from lower memory to the higher memory location. Check the value of CX, and if not equal to 0, then repeat step 10. Otherwise, go to step 11. The step 10 is transfer the data from source memory location to the destination memory location and then decrease the value by of CX by 1. After that, the step 11 is to stop the execution. Now the code is explained by Kamlesh.
This is Kamlesh. Edit block transfer.asm is the command used to link the assembly file for block transfer. We begin the code by initializing the data segment, where the string is used to initialize this source block, which consists of 5 values 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 represented in their hexadecimal values, and the destination blocks we initialize 5 destination blocks we initialize 5 values all with 0, and now the data n signifies the end of destination segment. We begin by code segment by initializing the CS and DS. The start instruction signifies the start of code. Move AX comma data and move DS comma AX is used to initialize the start segment. And LEA SI comma S signifies the transfer of starting address of source block to SI register, and LEA DI comma D signifies the transfer of starting address of destination blocks to DI register. Move CX comma 05H is used to initialize the count register CX, and here CX should be used compulsorily to hold the count value. A repeat instruction executes until the value in CX is greater than 0. And in 3, code ends and start is used to end the code. We exit this code file by giving exit. And now we are going to execute the block transfer program by using the following instruction: masm block transfer .asm, and we give enter 4 times. Now we link the object file by using the following command: and now again you press enter 4 times. And now we execute the executable file exe file by using the following command: debug log transfer.exe. And now the following two commands are used to execute the code: G. And now we specify the address where the code destination block and the source block are stored. It is given in 076A. And the 076A signifies the starting addresses of the source block and the destination block. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the data present in the following blocks, and repeatedly another 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 signifies the destination blocks, which is initialized to the corresponding values in source block using the move string byte instruction. And now I pass on to my friend Vinay.
Hi, I am Vinay. So the result of this code is memory address 0B97 stores the blocks, source block and destination block respectively. And the content of the source block is transferred to destination block using wire move string byte command. Thank you.